Okay then folks, so it's a little bit bitty and I do apologise, but as you can see I've assembled both sides of the planter. I'm kind of winging this, just given a few sizes, width, height and depth, just go from there. So I've chamfered the edges of each sort of connecting board, and I'm going to do that on the front as well. I just think that gives it a little bit more of a feature. You're not just butting up, and yeah, I just think it looks a lot better. What I'm going to do now is cut all of the boards for the front and the back. Well, I'm going to cut the boards for the front. I'm going to assemble that. Nothing fancy, just glue and screw through the front of that. And yeah, just get cracking and get it finished. Nothing too fancy and nice and simple. So, see you in a bit.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Let up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes. Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a spark.
Okay then folks, so that's it, all finished and done. As I said, it's nothing fancy, just a 3-tier planter. There is a couple of things I'd probably do different next time, but we was governed by the depth. She wanted a specific depth for the planter and she wanted that sort of design, so you know, we was governed that way. But you know, it turned out okay. I was going to mitre the corners, but the miters would have just opened up because the timber was quite wet. The miters would have just opened. So butt joints are okay. I did mitre the sort of capping pieces. If they open up, they open up. I have screwed through the edge, so fingers crossed they stay like that. I just want to say thank you to everybody, all the new and the old subscribers, for sticking with me. It does mean a lot. We are growing quite good. The channel is going in the right direction. Just a quick note for anybody that is interested, I do have a Patreon that I have set up. As I said before, it's not as clean and as fresh as everybody else's, but it's a work in progress. So if anyone's got any ideas for sort of additional features or sort of additional content to use for Patreon only, let me know, and I can start working on that and hopefully put a bit more content out there for everybody. If you want to, that's completely up to you, no pressure on that one. I'm going to love you and leave you now. I hope you did like the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like and comment, it would mean a lot, and I will catch you lot all on the next one. Thank you very much folks, see you later.
Yesterday